Hello friends, welcome. In this video we're talking about how to fix Davinci Resolve node opening. So the first and the very important fix that I will show you guys is deleting the data and some files that are not going to break your app, that will actually help you to resolve Davinci Resolve not starting. Why it's not starting? Well, sometimes when your app is creating certain settings and saves them onto the actual as actual files onto your drive, sometimes these files are either corrupt or incompatible with certain and set configuration of your PC or your Windows, your operating system, and actually deleting them can actually fix your issue of the app not starting at all. So guys, you just navigate to your PC's files, you go to C drive, then you choose users, your username, app data roaming, Blackmagic Design, Davinci Resolve and support. And in here you need to delete two folders, okay? Two. So first one being cache, for some reason it's not appearing for me, and also delete the logs folder as well. It will be automatically regenerated, so you're not breaking anything, but in this time, if any of the files are corrupt, it will be created again from scratch and everything should be working fine. Right now, the next fix, go to graphics settings in your Windows, and as you can see, we can add our executable in our app into these graphics performance preferences. So in our case, we're adding Davinci Resolve's executable file. So you just need to press on browse and navigate to this file, program files, Blackmagic Design, Davinci Resolve and resolve.exe, and then go to options and set it to high performance. And the last fix, let us go to our driver application, depending on which card you have, NVIDIA or AMD. In my case it's AMD. And guys, make sure to update your drivers for your GPU. Sometimes when they are outdated, because developers of our GPUs, they release fixes for the drivers in our GPUs all the time, and sometimes the incompatible or just the drivers that are not really suitable for working with Davinci Resolve, they cause issues, and if you update your drivers you may actually fix everything. So just make sure to navigate to our driver application, AMD and NVIDIA as well. It's very easy to update and update your drivers to the latest version. And these three fixes should sort you out. Guys, enjoy the video. Hopefully it helps you. Press like on the video and of course subscribe and leave a comment if this helped. Thanks for watching.